Hey y'all, okay, I know you guys have heard me a few times mention Mr. Ambitious's notorious chicken smoothie concoction we've put together. So I wanted to show you guys exactly how I make it for him every day. I know, chicken smoothie and a bowl, what? It's all on Mr. Ambitious. Okay, so of course you're gonna need your blender. What kind of smoothie doesn't need a blender? I almost forgot. We're gonna need bottles of water and meal. So first we're gonna take all of our chicken, yuck, and we're gonna throw it inside of our blender, nice and good. This is gonna be a quick little video. And we'll take some of that chicken juice too. It's baked. So it's baked chicken with, I baked it in olive oil for like 20-30 minutes. I prep it out. It's 12 ounces of chicken. And then we're gonna fill it with a bottle of water. Then we're gonna blend it. This might be loud, so just close your ears just for a little bit. I pulsate it first, and then I go ahead and I'll put it on the regular blender setting on high. Yeah. Hi. My milkshake brings all the muscles to my man. Hey. Okay, ready? So we have 12 ounces of chicken and almost a full bottle of water mixed in there. So now we need 2 scoops of protein powder. And I think this kind of mellows out the chickeny flavor, and it's not seasoned chicken, so it doesn't taste super strong as chicken. Vanilla ice cream protein powder, just regular whey protein. So then I take some more water and I fill it almost all the way up. I try to get all the protein powder wet because it helps blend it. And then we're gonna put the lid back on. And then high. Until it's nice and smooth. Open up. Sometimes it splashes on my face and chicken juice all over me. Hecky nah. And then this is it's grape water flavor. So then we're gonna add a lot to this. Okay, I told you a lot. I'll get muscles just by making his smoothie. All right, ready? And then high. Okay, and then we need to set it in the fridge, but it needs to cool down because right now it's warm because the chicken is warm. I'll throw it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. So the chicken's warm. You don't want a warm chicken smoothie, yuck. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Then every time, it's about 3.5 big cups. So every time he asks for his smoothie, I go ahead and I re-blend it to make sure it's all mixed good because sometimes it separates. And then he just drinks 1 cup at a time throughout the day along with his breakfast. And this smoothie has 128 grams of protein, so it's actually quite filling. So I'm gonna throw this in the fridge really quick and then we're all done. Bam! Okay, so what do you guys think? Would you be willing to try my chicken smoothie? Come on, y'all. Are you scared? How do you guys get your protein in, or what kind of diets do you guys follow, if any? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any protein recipes or anything like that that you think that me and Mr. Ambitious should try that's healthy, low carbs, let me know. Thank y'all for joining. Have a great day. Bye-bye.